Burp with mommy. Yay! Do it again.
That's like.
One more.
He doesn't have shit in his pants.
Burp. Burp with mommy.